Yes, dear students, now we are going to discuss about the electric circuit and its components. So, what is an electric circuit? A closed and continuous path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. The path along which the current will flow, that path is known as closed and continuous path is known as the electric circuit. So, electric circuit is of two types. First one is a closed circuit and second one is open circuit. The closed circuit in which the current is flowing and key is on, that kind of circuit is known as the closed circuit, and the device which we are operating, that is working. The bulb is glowing here, that means that current is flowing, that is known as the closed circuit. And second one is the open circuit, in which there is no flow of current. The device which we are operating, that is not working, it means current is not flowing and key is not on. This kind of circuit is known as the open circuit. Now we are going to discuss about the various components of an electric circuit. How we can connect the various devices in a circuit, that is shown by with the help of a circuit diagram. So this is one circuit diagram, this is another circuit diagram. So what are the various components, the devices which we are connecting in a circuit? These are known as the components of the electric circuit. What are the various components? First of all, we are going to discuss about the cell. How we can represent a cell? We can represent a cell with the help of two lines. One is longer line and second one is smaller. And first longer line represents the positive terminal of the cell and smaller line represents the negative terminal of the cell. Next, battery. What is a battery? Battery is a combination of two or more cells. The combination of two or more cells we can represent in this way. This is one cell. We can connect one more cell. So this is a battery. Now this is a battery having two cells. Similarly, we can connect 2, 3, 4 and 5 so on cells in a battery. So positive, again same as in the case of cell, the bigger line will show the positive terminal of the battery and the smaller line will show the negative terminal of the battery. Again we are going to discuss about the open key. As we have shown the key here, in closed circuit and in open circuit. Now this is a key, and if dot is not there inside this gap, this is a open key. And how we can represent a closed key? We can apply a dot in between this gap. Now this is closed key. Ammeter, as you know that ammeter is a device which we can use to measure the electric current in a circuit, that is represented by this symbol. And there are two terminals of the ammeter, one is positive and second one is negative. Next component of electric circuit is voltmeter. We will discuss about this in the later classes. So see, as we are representing the ammeter, just replace the letter A by the letter V, and same two terminals are also there, one is positive and one is negative. Now wire joint, how can we represent a wire and wire joint? Wire is represented by a single line. If we are joining two wires, then what we can do? We can make another line, that is another wire, they are joined at this point without insulation. Now wire crossing without joining means sometimes it happens in an electric circuit, or you can say in a domestic electric circuit, two wires are there, they are not connected with each other, they are just passing over each other. Now we can, so this is one wire and this is another wire. Now we can move this wire like this, it means there is no connection, they are just crossing over each other. Second one is fixed a resistance. Now how we can represent a fixed resistor? This is the symbol of a fixed resistor, means the value of the resistance of this resistor is fixed, it will not vary. Electric bulb, we can represent the electric bulb, or you can say electric lamp, by this symbol in an electric circuit. And last one is the rheostat. How we can represent the rheostat? Rheostat is a device which we can use in an electric circuit to control the amount of current by changing the resistance of the circuit. We can represent it in this way. This is the symbol of the rheostat in an electric circuit.